Hi, this is Dan with QT Equipment, and behind me we've got a Dom 2 11-foot body with a Truckhugger Tarp System on it. We do a couple of different tarp options here. There's a tarp system that we build in-house. There's a tarp that IMT has that has 2x4s that are built into the tarp system and it rolls up. We've done these truck huggers, and then we also do a metal telescopic top that's another option for enclosing your load space. Why would you want to enclose your load space? Depending on where you're at in the country, there's a couple of good reasons to have a tarp. It's not going to prevent anybody, if they really want to get in there, obviously, this is not going to prevent anybody from getting in there and stealing your stuff, but it is going to keep people's eyes out of what's in the back of your load space, and it's also going to keep snow and leaves out of your load space. These tarps here are not designed to be weather tight. We have some other options that are more weather tight. This is more keeping eyes out and keeping leaves out. Here, I'll show you how this thing moves in and out. This section unscrews and this latch goes up. It's got these aluminum rails on the inside of the load space here that allow the bows to retract and close your load space. In the front, we've got a looks like a light bar, but just more of a headache rack. We don't have a light on it right now for enclosing the front of this tarp system. If you want to find out what we're building on a regular basis, you can go to Instagram at QT Equipment, Facebook QT Equipment, or our website QTEquipment.com. Work dirty, be happy. Until next time.